Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a spike catching strategy. All right, so if you have a $20 account and you have been looking for a strategy that you can use to grow that account, all right, be it a 20, a $10 or even a $5 account, you should be able to use this strategy to grow that account. All right, following the simple instructions I'll be sharing with you in this video. All right, so make sure you watch the video to the end. Make sure not to skip any part of this video because they are vital informations you don't want to miss. All right, so this is a very simple strategy. All right, I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible. Okay, so before I share the settings, I will explain how to take your entry and exit with the strategy. Then after that, I will be showing you how to set it up. Okay, so make sure you don't go anywhere. Now I'm going to straight to the point. First of all, you are going to observe the indicator window here. All right, so here on the indicator window, all right, the indicator window is going to show you when price has gotten to the oversold level, which is our strong sell area here, and when price has gotten to the overbought level, which is our strong buy level here. Okay, so take note of that. Now when price gets to this strong sell level, all right, you want to be looking for a buy entry. All right, so this is boom 1000, so take note of that. So this is a spike catching strategy, as you all know. So on boom we want to be looking for buy entries only. All right, then on crash we want to be looking for sell entries only. All right, so I'm using the boom 1000 for this example now. All right, so I will be showing you how to take your buy entries only. Okay, now for example, you see that price has this red line here and the blue line has gotten to the 15 level, which is our strong sell level. All right, now once you see these two indicators at this level, it means that you want to be looking for your buy entry condition. All right, now the entry condition is that you want to wait for this red line here, all right, to cross above the blue line here on the indicator window. All right, now for the red line to cross above the blue line, you need to see a spike in the market. All right, now here on the main chart, all right, this is where the red Ichimoku line here comes in. All right, now here on the main chart, whenever there is a spike, you want to make sure that this red line here, price has broken above it. All right, price must break above it to meet the condition for you to take an entry. Okay, so if there is a spike and you see that the spike is still below this red line, you don't need to go in for entry. All right, even if it has crossing above the blue line on the indicator window and it has not yet crossed above on the main chart here, you don't go in for your entry. All right, so now these two conditions must be in line with each other. Okay, on the indicator window you see that there's a spike and this red line has crossing above the blue line. Then you check your main chart, you want to see that the red Ichimoku line has been broken above with a long candlestick. All right, so the spike must break above it. All right, so once you see this condition being met, immediately, you don't need to wait for any other condition, you take your buy immediately. Okay, now this is how you do it. So this is the area where the spike happened. So the spike happen and then stop around this area, okay, where I marked. All right, so you can see that the spike stop around here. So immediately from the blue line I mark, that's where you take your entry from, and then your stop loss is going below that structure. All right, the structure that candlestick made is where you place your stop loss. All right, you can see the fractal will help you mark it out. Okay, so once you see the spike, you take your entry immediately, your stop loss goes below it, and then for your TP, you are going to be using this red Ichimoku line on the indicator window. All right, now you are going to wait for the Ichimoku to get to the 85 level here, which is our strong buy area. All right, so this is the strong buy area. Price is expected to reverse from this area, so you don't want to be in the market anymore. All right, so you wait for price to get to this level, you exit, and then you look for next opportunity, and then you look for the next opportunity to present itself in the market. All right, it's as simple as that. That's how the strategy works. Okay, so you back test it or you demo trade it for like a month or two to confirm that the strategy is working for you before you deposit money and start trading with this strategy. Okay, so before I move forward, I want to present to you guys an offer. All right, my VIP signal group, like I earlier said, has been made free for everyone. All right, so if you're a beginner out there, you have been struggling, all right, you don't know how to trade yourself, all right, and you are looking for funds to trade, all right, what you do is that you join my VIP community. There I'm going to be sharing with you free signals. You don't need to pay for it, all right, but there are simple conditions you need to follow in order to be able to join, all right. So what you do now is to check the description of this video. You are going to see my Telegram link. All right, join the Telegram link. You are going to see the condition for you to join the VIP community. Okay, so once you join the Telegram community, the instructions are there. All right, you follow it and you'll be able to have access to my free signal group. Okay, you don't need to pay for it, but you need to have a little deposit of $20, all right, as your own personal capital. You don't need to give me the $20. You need to have it in your own account so that you'll be able to join the free signal group. Okay, so that's that for that. All right, so this is the that's that for that. For those of you that want to join, you know what to do already. Now I'm going to be showing you guys another example using this strategy. So you can see here, this is another example where the strategy worked very well. All right, so you can see price was initially going down. All right, the Ichimoku is going to show you that price has gotten to the oversold level, which is our strong sell area here. So you wait for a spike to occur. So once there's a spike in the market, all right, you take your buy immediately from where the spike stopped. Your stop loss goes below it and you wait for this Ichimoku line to get to the overbought level. All right, so even if price is still spiking up, once it get to this level, you just exit. All right, you don't know what the market might do next. All right, so you need to play safe, follow the instruction, and you are good to go. Okay, so that is it, guys. That's it for this. I hope with this few example you should be able to understand it. This strategy is not that difficult for you. All right, even if you're a beginner, I believe you should be able to understand and trade with this strategy. Okay, so for the setup, all right, you are going to be clicking on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we search for our first indicator, which is the fractal. All right, so you click on this plus icon, you search for your fractal. So you can use the default setting, all right, or you can set it same as mine. As you can see here, my color is blue. All right, the pixel, you make it 3 and then you click on done. All right, then nextly we have the Ichimoku. You click on the indicator in the one plus icon here again, you search for your Ichimoku. Now for the properties, the Tenkan Sen is 9, Kinjun Sen is 26, and Senkun Span B is 52. You fill it up. All right, the time frame is all time frame. All right, now under the style, the Tenkan Sen, you make it color red. All right, you make it 4 pixel. The rest of them, you are going to make it the color of your background. The Kenjan Sen is color white, you make it 1 pixel. All right, the same thing for the whatever it's called. All right, so just make everything the color of your background. I'm using a white background, so you can see the color is going to be white, and if you're using a black background, you make it color black. All right, so that's that for the Ichimoku. All right, nextly we have the relative strength index. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this main window plus icon again, you search for relative strength index. All right, so for the relative strength index, you make the period 1, apply to exclude the levels. If you have been following me for the longest, you are going to know my level already. You are going to make it 15. All right, you indicate it as strong sell here. Then the second level, you make it 80. All right, you indicate it as strong buy here. All right, so the color for the star is red, 4 pixel. You click on done. All right, then nextly we have the time frame, you make it all time frame. Now for the style, you make the color red, 3 pixel. You click on done. All right, so once you add the relative strength index, the indicator in the one here is going to be formed. All right, so for you to add the moving average under the relative strength index, you are going to be clicking on the indicator in the one plus icon here. All right, this plus icon, then you search for your moving average. All right, now for the moving average, the period is going to be 25, shift is 0, Method is simple. Apply to its close. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 4 pixels for it, and then you click on done. All right, then lastly we have the Ichimoku again, right? So you click on this plus icon, you search for your Ichimoku. All right, for this one you are going to make the Tenkan scene 1, Kinjun scene is 2, then the Senku span B is 52. You fill it up. The time frame is all time frame. Under the style, right, Tenkan scene is color red, 4 pixel. The Kinjun scene is color red, all right, 4 pixel also. Then the remaining one, you make it color of your background, all right, 1 pixel for them. All right, so that's basically how you set the strategy up. Okay, so once you set it correctly, you are going to have a screen like this. All right, so that's basically all you need to know for this strategy. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next one, and don't forget to join the Telegram community to get access to my free signal. All right, we milk the market on daily basis. All right, so you can't afford to miss out. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.